This is the first time any Tripura youth leader making a bold decision to go and to reach in Delhi, walking near about 5,221.6 kilometers. I bless my dear young leader, David Murasing, and others with him. Sab thangai lokelo saimaya ngoro bo thangbainai angbono belai ke blessing khayo. Be honestly, you will make the new history, and he's taking a decision to attain the Tripura Accord of our success. Jotani chani angno bo chobani kobok nai jengbono jotono sorika ham kudeng khai ishor bono belai ke logiri chong bono je Delhi sobai asak sorika ham tone sobai chong bo kasya laibo masram tum abang jeng future bin logi tum boni bagai bo je dino 5 July decision nawai Rajbari ni bisinte nokhore boba gana yakmu romoi khulomoi mutai no brum no go habai ama mutai Tripuri sori no choda devata mutai no botoi ro yakmu soi phaimani bagai ang belekhe tongmali odina ang logiri melia hapuna ang wanchuka moani khoroksa senior okrangui bonang sahos nani nango bonang tebo bokha walthum hne ang bono logi na bagai ini nokhori ma phekya ang kabi je manchak ni logi kimmene asim hambai